Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining me. Winter might be coming, but dry skin and tired muscles don't have to. You can get rid of all that nastiness and still feel great through these cold, harsh months. Unless you live in Arizona like me, where it's not too bad. I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting over the last couple of weeks with these videos. And for everyone who's just joining me for the first time, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share some of my knowledge with you. With that in mind, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on our content that's going to be coming out twice a week. Now, I am still hammering out all those details of the specifics for when I will be posting. However, I'm going to be posting updates on Twitter the most. So if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me at @BeGreenWithE. My last video that I posted was a tutorial for how to make your own sugar scrub that was catered towards ingrown hairs and irritation. If you didn't get a chance to see that video, I'll go ahead and link somewhere here. Today's sugar scrub is really going to cater towards some of the winter needs that your skin might have. So the two big players in this scrub are the eucalyptus essential oil and the peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is actually one of the most versatile oils along with lavender oil. The active compounds inside of peppermint oil are methone and menthol. These active compounds have actually been found to help reduce pain such as headaches, inflammation, muscle aches, help ease irritability, boost your energy, as well it helps to improve your memory and focus your mind. Eucalyptus is so much more than just koala food. The essential oil has just outstanding qualities. It's antimicrobial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, as well as antibacterial. Eucalyptus essential oil helps to improve respiratory function. It's a really great decongestant and deodorant. Eucalyptus essential oil can actually help boost the circulation to your brain, as well as relieve muscle exhaustion. Fun fact, there are over 500 species of eucalyptus that produce essential oils. By combining the eucalyptus and the peppermint, we're creating this great duo when you wake up on those cold winter mornings and there's nothing that you want to do more than lay in bed. Go ahead and grab this scrub and invigorate your mind, invigorate your body, clear out decongestion. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter at @BeGreenWithE, and that's E as in Aaron, me, I'm Aaron. You guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you are. Bye!